Hey, it's Rich. Now I've got a surprise for you. A genuine superbike. This right here is the Pole Stamina 140. This is the frame. There's all the parts. We're gonna assemble this thing. Ordered it a while ago. They machine it to order. We're gonna build her up today, get her done, and boy, I'm pretty excited about this thing. This is all machined from solid aluminum right down to perfection. Machined inside and out, bonded together, and she's a beaut. I took a little time to polish the frame a little bit, just gave it a little quick hand polish, no machine or anything, just a little bit of shine on it. And I did a ceramic coat. All of that was with some Adams Polishes products out of Colorado, and their products work really well. I was pretty happy with it. Should really put a nice shine on it for a long time. Did a few other parts, like the yoke linkage. Pretty cool. 5-axis machine stuff. The rear triangle. Pretty sweet. All contoured machining. The logo is ghosted in there. Very nice. Very nice work. I am really excited to get this put together and start thrashing on it. I don't even know where to start. Wait, I do. A little can of gas first. Alright. A little bit of go juice. Now we can keep her moving. Alright. I'm going to switch her over to time-lapse. We'll do a time-lapse, speed up the assembly a little bit, and then maybe stop every now and then to show some detail in regular video with some explanation. Otherwise, if I decide to add some music to this, enjoy the music. If I don't, don't. So, let's do it. I listened to some good tunes while I was putting the bike together, but you'll have to settle for this royalty-free music. I started by reassembling the lower linkage components. I had completely disassembled everything so I could learn how it all works together and inspect everything. For the assembly, I used the recommended Park Tools high performance grease and anti-seize compound. As a machinist myself, I was really impressed with the manufacturing quality of all the parts on this bike that they made at the Pole factory. Hats off to everyone involved in the manufacturing process. Here I double check the torque specs and then apply the appropriate torque to every fastener. Even this one. Chopper stopped by for a little quality control inspection. Well, she's done. She's done and she's a beaut. She is one beautiful ride. Beautiful. Pretty happy. So it's 10 o'clock now. I don't know if I start at 4 or 5 o'clock. Had dinner in there. I got to put the bottle cages on there. I got the cool magnetic fid locks. So those things they just so looking forward to these. Should be pretty cool. You just get them close and they snap on there, and they gotta rotate to get them out. Should look pretty good. Should work pretty good. Other than that, we're getting her pretty dialed. Not much left. Give her a shakedown. Oh, we got the old candy here. The 1-up EDC, the everyday carry tool. So that bad boy just drops right on down in here. Boop. Makes a little sound like that. It goes boop. So, voila. And oh, you need a tool? Okay. Just pop that out, slide it out of there, boom, boom, right back in. You don't have to dig in your pocket or your camelback or whatever. So, everything's torqued, chain's the right length, shift's good on the stand. I got the controls set, I think where I want them, but gotta get her out in the woods and see what it says out there. But Pole Stamina 140 super bike, very nice. Thank you, Leo Kokkonen, and everybody else at the factory. Thank you. Now we gotta go beat on it.